Come test drive this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.